Hey, what's going on? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out God tier ads and maybe you're wondering, is this legitimate? Can you make money from this program? Is this a good way for you to generate more leads using Google AdWords? Let's check it out, all right? Full breakdown right here. Now, at any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, just click the link below and I'll share with you my favorite strategy. Now, on this channel, I've reviewed literally hundreds and thousands of different ways to make money on the internet, right? Some of them are really good, some of them are so-so. A lot of them, though, are a big waste of time. So let's check out Ed Leak's God tier ads to find out exactly what this is about, and let's see whether this is a good way to help you generate income through the internet. All right, now God tier ads is a very decent Google AdWords pay-per-click course, right? So this is an ad and lead generation course that's going to teach you how to get more leads and optimize your campaigns and get the best costs per lead and learn to manage Google AdWords in the best way possible, right? So you can use this type of strategy for lead generation in pretty much any industry that you want. So if you have some sort of online business, if you're a PPC manager, you run an agency, you're a marketer, maybe you have an affiliate marketing business. Anytime you have some sort of business that you need to generate leads for, then this God tier ads course might help you to do that. All right, so what this is all about. So this is a really interesting program. It's not really meant for beginners. This is more for intermediate to advanced marketers, people that have used Google AdWords a little bit. If you don't know what Google AdWords is, it's basically when you do a search on Google, right? And you'll see these sponsored ads that pop up. This is basically Google AdWords right here. And pay-per-click marketing means every time you click on this ad, you have to pay for every click that your potential leads click on. It leads to your website, and then hopefully you're going to be able to generate a lead from this, bring them into your sales process, and then hopefully generate a sale so that you get positive ROI, or return on investment, down the line. Okay, this is exactly what it's about. So God tier ads created by this gentleman right here, Ed Leak. He has been marketing online for a very long time, since 1996. He's also an agency owner. Check this out, right? His agency is so popular, called Midas Media, that they're not even accepting any new clients. This is how kick-ass this guy is, okay? Which is really cool. So God tier ads is very interesting. This is unlike any AdWords program or even lead generation program that I have come across, right? A lot of them are usually just based around video training. You go in, you buy, and then you go inside and it's just a whole bunch of video training. Whereas God tier ads is more based on frameworks, okay? So Ed is gonna basically teach you how to use the right framework to set up your Google ad campaigns so that you never have to worry about Google ad updates and things like that, because obviously Google ads gets updated on a regular basis by Google, right? Multiple times a year. Things change, things look different, the campaigns change, the strategy changes, things like that. So he's going to teach you a framework that will allow you to just understand Google ads from start to finish so that you can run better campaigns, you can run more profitable campaigns, you can get more leads, you can get lower cost per acquisition, you can get lower cost per lead, and you can just manage Google AdWords the best that you can, right? So whether you're managing it for yourself or you're managing it for a client, you want to get leads through this method, this is going to teach you how to do that, okay? So here's what you get, okay? 400 plus step checklist. This is really the core of it, right? You get support. So they have got a Facebook private group where there's about 3,000 paid students, paid members in the program. You can network with them, you can ask questions there. They've obviously got their own support, they've got updates. This is always updated, okay? Over 100 times since the launch, they've been updating this, which is pretty amazing, right? They cover Performance Max, which covers things like conversions, campaign structure, budgeting, bidding, all that kind of stuff, right? So really cool stuff. The way that this is actually taught is that it's mainly done through text and images, all right? So even though you can see Ed right here, and this is a video, inside of God tier ads, it's mainly done through text and images. There are some support videos, right? But that's not really how this particular Google AdWords course is taught. It's mainly through text and images, all right? So the cost of this program, not super expensive, okay, for what it is. It is $499 for the base framework. It is $595 for the framework plus the bonuses, one time, all right? They do have a 30-day no questions asked refund. Basically, it works like this. If they cannot 11x your ROI, then within 30 days, you can ask for a refund and they will give it to you. Okay, pretty cool stuff. That's a pretty powerful refund right there. Lots of testimonials. I mean, these are literally people from all over the world, people running their own campaigns, people running campaigns for other people, just saying that this is the bee's knees, okay? One of the best Google Ads trainings that they have ever purchased. Well worth the money. I mean, you know, it doesn't get much better than this. A great sales page too, you know. Obviously, Ed knows exactly what he's doing. So here's what I would say. I would say that this is a really, really good Google AdWords training course, all right? But who is this for? This is for people that want to generate more leads through Google Ads, all right? So if you stumbled upon this for some reason, because I'm not sure how you came to this particular video, there are lots of different ways you may have come here. Maybe you're doing some research on God tier ads. Maybe you're looking for more leads and traffic, and you just kind of stumbled upon this. Maybe you were, you want to really build out your Google AdWords platform so that you can get more pay-per-click ads like this. If you run any campaigns, if you're a pay-per-click manager, you're an agency owner, you're running leads for other people, or you're maybe an affiliate marketer, maybe you're a YouTuber, maybe you just want more leads for your internet business, your online business, right? Then this might be for you, okay? But you have to own one of those things in order to use God tier ads, right? So if you've never made money online before, but you want to make money online and you don't know how, this is not for you, right? This program is only for you if you already know what you're going to be sending your leads to, right? You've got an online business, you've got a product to sell, you've got a service that you want to sell to, or you want to use leads for, right? Then this might be for you, and you can check it out right here at godtierads.com. All right, pretty clear and simple, great little Google AdWords training program. All right, now if you're here watching this video right now and you're looking to make money online but you don't know how, maybe you're a beginner, okay, that might be you. On this channel, I've literally reviewed hundreds and thousands of different ways to make money on the internet, all right? All sorts of different strategies, websites, business models, courses, but out of all of them, I've distilled it into one particular style of earning money online that I think is a very realistic way for an absolute beginner, someone who has never made money online, someone who's never had any results, to go from zero to their first $5,000 to $10,000 a month minimum, and much, much more depending on how much effort you actually put in, all right? If you would like to find out about that strategy, I've got a free masterclass that you can check out. Just click the link below and I'll send you that free masterclass and you can go through it if you would like, all right? I hope you enjoyed this review of God tier ads. All the best to you, and hope to see you on another video review. Take care.